prayed for something your whole life? I mean, all you dreamed about was this one thing. I mean, you know it's coming. You have faith in all that. But sometimes you second guess yourself. That's human nature, I suppose. Second guessing. When life seems to take you through more downs than ups. Seems like it gives you more losses than wins. But do you stand tall and be bold? Or do you fold? Do you believe? For me, I came a long way. Way too far for me to stop now. Not that I would stop anyways, but I'm so close I can feel it. Can you feel it? Warm up.
Explosion of catastrophe. Yeah. Junction Tigers, baby. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna listen. Get your stripes on and get painted up. You gon' find us at the top, cause the stakes are up. Junction Tigers, baby, there's nothing greater in this town. And when we spike the ball, we'll leave a crater in the ground. Fireworks in the sky is how they greet us. And we got Tiger pride, you can't defeat us. So don't even try, cause you know you can't beat us. Like body headbangers, we can't be touched. Call the play and break the huddle. Step up to the line and put that other team in trouble. Look up at the scoreboard and know our number go double. Every person in the crowd knows our number. We number one, we the ones to make you wanna clap, right? Bring the Wildcats in and start a calf fight. Don't be talking smack or we gon' put you on your back. And if you ain't had enough, then we gon' see you after halftime. GJ, compete, scream. And everybody knows that GJ competes. Yeah, we are the team that'll make you go home. You'll be on the ground and we'll be in the end zone. GJ all day, others take a seat. GJ, call your offense water. Our D is a dam, but I ain't cussing. If we talking about you, we ain't talking about nothing. We the coldest in the game, just like the war. Russian, we holding up the title, and you ain't even touching. We must win. Everybody know that we ain't been defeated. So watch them one by one as they go and get depleted. We ruthless, relentless, and we even reckless. Lions making pancakes, you can call that breakfast. Tired of the smack, so now we'll show you why we've come to hit. Knock your lights out and do it all just for the fun of it. Touchdown a half a dozen times and then we gonna split. First find a camera and dance right in front of it. DB's getting picks, QB's making calls, wide receivers breaking ankles, liners knocking down walls. So get your stripes on and bring your potty mouth. It's time to go and watch the Junction Tigers get a body count. GJ, compete, scream. And everybody knows that GJ competes. Yeah, we are the team that'll make you go home. You'll be on the ground and we'll be in the end zone. GJ all day, others take a seat. GJ compete, yeah.